Ever wondered what the most unusual pets people around the world own are? Well, you're about to find out. When we think of pets, our minds often jump to the usual suspects: dogs, cats, even goldfish. Yet, there's a whole other world out there, filled with unique creatures that some people call their companions. We're not just talking about the occasional parrot or rabbit, no. We're talking about pets that are truly out of the ordinary. For some, these unusual pets offer a different kind of companionship, a unique bond, or simply the thrill of caring for something so distinctive. From the largest rodent in the world to a species of cockroach that actually hisses, the range of unusual pets is as wide as it is fascinating. So, are you ready to explore the unconventional side of pet ownership? So let's dive into the world of the unusual, the extraordinary, and the downright bizarre. Starting off our list at number 10, we have the world's largest rodent, the capybara. This colossal critter hails from South America and can weigh up to a whopping 150 pounds. With a sturdy build and a semi-aquatic lifestyle, capybaras are fascinating creatures that have adapted to both land and water environments. One of the most notable characteristics of capybaras is their highly social nature. These animals are not solitary creatures and thrive best in groups. They require plenty of space and a suitable water body for swimming, making them a pet that demands a bit of attention and care. Capybaras are also known for their calm temperament and adaptability, making them rather unique in the world of pets. So, if you have a large backyard and enjoy unusual company, a capybara might just be your perfect pet. At number 9, we have the adorable yet exotic Fenic Fox. This pint-sized creature is the smallest of all the world's foxes, but don't let their size fool you. They are full of personality and charm, and their large ears, which can grow up to 6 inches long, not only give them a unique look, but also help them dissipate heat in their native desert habitats of North Africa. Speaking of deserts, Fenic foxes have some remarkable adaptations for such a harsh environment. They have furry feet to protect them from the hot sand and can go for long periods without water, getting most of their hydration from the food they eat. Their nocturnal nature and high energy levels make them an unusual choice for a pet, requiring dedicated care and an understanding of their unique needs. These little foxes might look like they belong in a desert, but they have found their way into the hearts and homes of some very unique pet owners. Gliding into number 8, we have the tiny and fascinating sugar glider. This petite creature is no ordinary pet, with a length ranging from 6 to 7 inches and a weight of just over 4 ounces. Native to Australia, these marsupials have a unique gliding ability, thanks to a thin skin membrane that extends from their wrist to their ankle, allowing them to soar through the air with ease. Besides their impressive aerobatics, sugar gliders are also known for their social nature. They thrive in groups and form strong bonds with their owners. Nighttime is their prime time, as they're nocturnal creatures. They love to explore and play during the dark hours, making them a unique pet for those who love the nightlife. Their diet is a combination of fruits, insects, and nectar, making it essential to provide a varied and balanced diet for their optimal health. If you're a night owl looking for a unique companion, a sugar glider could be your perfect match. Taking the 7th spot on our list, we have the bizarre and intriguing axolotl. This creature is a type of salamander that never fully matures, which means it retains its youthful features throughout its life. The axolotl, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, is not actually a fish but an amphibian. They typically grow to about 9 inches in length and live in a wholly aquatic environment. What sets the axolotl apart is its remarkable regeneration abilities. It can regenerate not just limbs, but also its heart, spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. Talk about a real-life superhero, right? The axolotl is also known for its unique appearance. With its fringed gills and wide mouth, it looks like it's always flashing a cheeky grin. But despite its charm, the axolotl is critically endangered in the wild, largely due to pollution and habitat loss. For those who prefer their pets on the aquatic side, the axolotl provides an unusual and fascinating choice. Crawling its way to number 6, we have the often misunderstood tarantula. These fuzzy critters are known for their impressive size, with some species boasting a leg span of up to 11 inches. Tarantulas hail from diverse habitats all over the globe, from the rainforests of South America to the arid deserts of the Middle East. What makes them unusual pets? Well, let's just say they're not your typical cuddly companion. They're solitary creatures, and their care requires a delicate balance of humidity, temperature, and seclusion. Don't let their size and appearance fool you, though. There's a rich tapestry of species, each with their own unique behaviors and characteristics. Some are burrowers, creating intricate underground homes, while others prefer to live high in the trees. It's these behaviors and the challenge of recreating their natural habitats that make tarantulas a fascinating pet for the right person. Tarantulas might not be everyone's first choice for a pet, but for some, they're the perfect eight-legged companion. Rolling into number 5, we have the cute and prickly hedgehog. Originating from a variety of habitats around the world, from grasslands to forests, these small mammals are known for their distinctive spiky coat. Averaging around 6 to 9 inches in length, their size makes them a convenient choice for those with limited space. But don't let their small stature fool you. These little guys are full of personality. Their unique defensive mechanism, curling into a ball of spikes when threatened, is a sight to behold. However, with proper socialization, your hedgehog will learn to trust you and limit their spiking. As for care, hedgehogs require a diet rich in protein, a warm environment, and plenty of exercise. Yes, they do love their wheel time. Despite their somewhat exotic nature, their care isn't overly complicated, making them a popular choice for unusual pet seekers. Despite their prickly exterior, hedgehogs have become a popular choice for those looking for a pet outside of the ordinary. At number 4, we have a pet that might raise a few eyebrows: the skunk. Now, before you turn up your nose at the idea, let's delve into the world of skunks as pets. Skunks are about the same size as a domestic cat, making them a manageable size for most households. These creatures are native to the Americas, thriving in a variety of habitats from forests to suburban backyards. Now, let's address the stink in the room. Yes, skunks are famous for their unique scent defense mechanism. But don't worry, domesticated skunks are descented, which means they won't be spraying any unpleasant surprises. As pets, skunks are known to be friendly, curious, and surprisingly cuddly. They're intelligent creatures who enjoy exploring their environment and playing with toys. So, if you're searching for a pet that's a little out of the ordinary and is sure to be a conversation starter, a skunk could be just the ticket. Taking the 3rd spot on our list, we have the exotic and elegant serval. A native of the African grasslands, the serval is no ordinary feline. It's considerably larger than most domestic cats, standing up to 2 feet tall at the shoulder. The serval's distinct feature is its long, lean body, topped off with a short tail and large, rounded ears. Their striking appearance is complemented by their unique hunting abilities. With their acute sense of hearing, servals can detect prey even under the ground. Once located, they'll pounce with a grace and precision that's truly a sight to behold. However, owning a serval is no small feat. Their size and active nature mean they require plenty of space and stimulation. They are not content to lounge around the house all day. They need to be involved, to play, and to explore. Servals are certainly not your average house cat, but for some, they're the perfect pet. Crawling into the number 2 spot, we have the Madagascar hissing cockroach. With an impressive size of 2 to 3 inches in length, these creatures are a far cry from your average household pest. Natively found in the tropical rainforests of Madagascar, they thrive in warm, humid conditions. Now, what sets these cockroaches apart is their distinctive hissing sound, produced by expelling air through their breathing holes, making them one of the few insects that can audibly communicate. Their role in the ecosystem is crucial. As detritivores, they help break down dead plant material, returning essential nutrients back to the earth. Surprisingly, for an insect, they have a long lifespan. In captivity, they can live for up to 5 years, making them quite a commitment for an insect pet. While they might not be everyone's idea of a perfect pet, these unusual insects have found their way into some very unique homes. And finally, slithering into the number 1 spot, we have the ball python. Not your typical cuddly pet, the ball python brings a unique charm to the world of pet ownership. Originating from sub-Saharan Africa, These captivating creatures are known for their striking variety of patterns and colors. The ball python is a relatively small snake, usually growing to a length of 3 to 5 feet. It's a manageable size for most households and makes them less intimidating than some of their larger reptilian cousins. They are considered one of the most docile species of pythons, known for their gentle nature and tendency to curl up into a ball when threatened, hence the name. These snakes are relatively easy to care for, requiring a specific but manageable habitat setup and a diet consisting mainly of rodents. Their unique traits and manageable care make them stand out among other reptiles. If you're looking for a pet that's truly out of the ordinary, a ball python might just be your perfect match.